Hi, today in front of me HUAWEI P60 Pro and I'll show you how to change fingerprint sensor animation on this device. So to change the fingerprint sensor animation, we should open first the settings and then scroll to biometrics and password section. Then click here to fingerprint ID, draw or enter your passcode to draw the pattern, click the fingerprint animation and switch your currently animation to one from these available at once. Then just tap the key on the right down corner, so I'll just use the fireworks. So let's just load the device. And now we could see that we just successfully changed the fingerprint sensor animation on our HUAWEI phone. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.